Hi everyone, this is Abrar. Welcome to Abrar Knowledge channel. Today we are going to see OneNote demo, OneNote illustrations, what it used for and how we can apply it, how we can customize it, how we can use it and productively and all that. So it's a three-in-one. That means, for example, take an instance of home. In home, we wanted to know the recipe. You wanted to know what to buy, and shopping list you wanted to create, and all these things you can do it at home. So from the OneNote. And in schools, of course, widely it will be highly useful. How, for example, student want to take notes of physics, chemistry, mathematics, different section, different units and all that. We can add as many category as we want. Work, it is widely used. For example, meeting minutes, and if you wanted to use for anything like project charter, all these we can use it. So in one word, the summary of OneNote is it's a digital one. Now in this digital era, everything is happening digitally, right? So you can have everything in your mobile, laptop, and all that. All you need to have is the Microsoft account. Once you have that, so you're good to go and use that OneNote as a. You can create, as I said, you can create section, pages, and you can create categories as much as you want. So widely used for to-do list, sketches, recipes, and all that. Let me use another half of the section. For example, it's a cloud-based storage. That's a specialty. You don't need to every time, you don't need to give control S, save every time you tell the system that I made the changes, save and all that. Not required. It's a cloud-based storage. That means no saving is required. It will automatically save. No hassle, no tension, nothing. Right? And very, very powerful. The very powerful part is share option. You can collaborate with the colleagues, you can collaborate with your friends, you can collaborate with your family members and so on. So how? With the help of there are different modes are available like Outlook, calendar, many other saving options that I will be explaining more in detail. So live demonstrate live illustrations, this I will be making it now. And teachers, and for especially for teacher and anybody who is in the education field or skills, this OneNote holds really, really good. So all things in one place you can get it. So let me type OneNote in my search ribbon. So you have two options coming up. One is called OneNote 2016, OneNote for Windows 10. Let me use OneNote 2016, right? So let me have a click. So this is the window. This is what you will look like. My name is coming up here, Abrar notebook and quick notes. So this is the template you will get it. In this one, you will have a brief video how to use it and how to create the how to organize it, how to create the section, for example, trips, recipe, shopping, to-do list and all that, and how to create the pages, right? You can create the different pages also as well. And you can also do all these things, there are also clips are available. So when you do that, it will be there within the Microsoft itself, right? The first page you will have like quick notes. Okay, next page, let me create a page for you. Maybe I will give a name called YouTube demo. Yeah, the same copy paste, the same thing I'm gonna give the same here also as well. Okay, so replace, that's it, done. So now let's go a little bit deeper. So there are how many options you have? Seven ribbons, buttons you have. One is called file. In file you can just take metaphor value, like for example you can sync, and you can open the backups data if you want, and you can invite the people, we can view the note, and we can invite the people and all that. So and then you have note. In the note, same like save as options you can do and all that. And open, again this is the open, you can switch account. If you wanted to use for personal official account, you can do that. And print, you can the same option like how you typically get in Word and Excel, the same option is there. And share, in share option, very, very interesting. Share is collaborative. This is one network where we can collaborate. So share with people, you can insert their email ID and all that, and then message, and you can share it. For example, my name is coming up as owner because I'm the owner of this page, right? So you can do that and get a shareable link and share with the meeting and move the note and all that. You can also export. You can export as a pages, as a section, as a notebook. You can do any layer of export. You can do send. You can send it as an email, as an attachment, as a PDF, Word, and you can send it to blog also as well. And this is account detail. If you wanted to use anything like model, any color, and in all that, you can use it. So, and then options, again you have multiple options where you can do customize and all that. Okay, so this is all about file. Let's go to home. In the home, similarly, like Calibri, if you wanted to change to Arial, you can change and all that. This is same window you have, which you have in Word and Excel. Okay, and insert has got a little bit more features to it. One of the most fascinating feature is called page templates. In the page templates, you will have variety of template inbuilt in it. When I say inbuilt in it, all you need to do is pick up to your requirement and maximize it. Let me go in. So whatever the things you have used, it will come here. For example, I have used project to-do list, simple to-do list, prioritization matrix, and all that. So you click last button called page templates, have a go to it, and let me just have a go. 1 second. So let me go to insert again, and then page one, page templates, and you have here on the left side, you have here, right? Let me use one more time. So I think I'm in the headings. Okay, that's the reason it's not taking it. Okay. Okay. For example, if you wanted to have like project notes, you can do that, to-do list, and simple to-do list if you wanted to have. And also you can, let's say, certain tasks you have, and let's say make video. Okay. And let's say edit video and something like that. Like this, you have a task, you can give it a timeline and all that. You can just do that also as well. So you also have some tips are coming up to reorder the item in your list, move the pointer over the list. So you can use the pointer to move over. For example, this is the item you wanted to move, you can move that also as well, right? Lot many options are there. So let me go back to insert, and let me go back to another one. Formal prioritization is very interesting one. So for example, high priority, medium priority, low priority, you can do that. And if you want to have any other things like formal meeting minutes, you can have all these comes here. You need to give that agenda and meeting title, agenda, attendees, opening, approval of agenda, approval of minutes, open issues, the new business, agenda for next meeting, and all that you can do. Or if you wanted to have the project overview, like typically how you get it in the minute, I mean, Six Sigma, Lean Six Sigma project charter. Similarly, you will have here. So you can also do that here. For example, project name is, let's say, automation. Example, generically, I'm giving it automation. Company name is ABC, and presenter name is Abrar. And then you can, from this one, you can just customize it. So all these customization you can do in the project goals, description, team, procedures, and then you have schedule, current status, related documents. All these you can just do any customization and any modification, deletion you can do. And then you have something called Bamboo. If you wanted to have something like this, you can also have automatically, it comes the date, time, and all that. And if you wanted to have a glass corner, you can do that. So glass corner, you can get it. So like this, you can pick up more from this template. This is the template which I was talking about. For example, academic detailed lecture notes, if you wanted to have, so you can have in notes, important pointer, lecture topics, summary, and all that. This is very useful for the students, right? And simple lecture notes, if you want to do simple, you can do it. Or if you wanted to use study questions, if you wanted to make, if you have any questions during that you wanted to ask, so you can just do this also as well. Very wonderful, really wonderful. If you want to max and science notes, you can do that also as well, right? And history class notes, if you want to do, you can do that. And this is all blank one. Like for example, A3 letter, you can have index card, you can have, if you want a index card, you can do that. Or letter, you can have it do that. All this is blank one. And then you have a business. In the business, as I said, I have already demonstrated few of them, like say detailed meeting minutes. You can also have a detailed meeting minutes also as well. So lot many things are there, planners, and again in the planners you have many things inside the planner also as well. So let me go back to this one, and in this is what I was talking about. Page template is very very powerful in OneNote. Please maximize it. And then you have just like same like Max. You can insert the equation, you can insert the symbols, all these the same like how you typically do in Word and Excel. The same thing you can do, right? And then you have a draw. In draw you have very specific. For example, if you wanted to draw a bell curve, right? So you can do that. For example, let's say, okay, I wanted to draw a bell curve, very neat. Like this you can do all these, draw everything, you can do that. And you can also have ink to max. If you have pointer, and touch screen, it will be more accurate. So ink to max also is there, and freehand hand planning, and lasso select and all that. You can do that. For example, let's say if you wanted to select these regions, you can select all these, you can do. So in draw particularly, in it has more options, and thickness, colors, all these you can pick it up. You can use a highlighter or pen or something like that, you can definitely do that. Okay. And then you have something called history. And history, you can have all these options, mark it as red, recent edits and all that. If you wanted to pick up the recent edit, you can pick up. So again, it gives like what is since yesterday or 7 days and all that. And then review again, you can log this with the password also as well. Some notes you wanted to log, you can log it. And view also as well. For example, this log option is very useful. For example, I wanted to log, set the password. Let's say I'm just setting the password as ABC, or I will set the password as my name, example, Abrar, ABRR. Okay. And this is, that's it, password saved. So next, anytime when you wanted to go into it, so it will prompt for password, right? So like this you can just do that. You can remove the password, change the password anytime. And then you can also apply for all. You can log all section now. For example, different section, if you wanted to log, you can do that. And view also, view option has got coloring and all that. If you wanted to do, you can do coloring. And you can always on top, if you wanted certain notes you wanted to keep in tops, or you wanted to have new notes, you can also do that also as well. So all of these variety of options are available inside the this thing. And then for example, if I lock it, what will I have to unlock it? Just enter it, and you can give the password, it will get unlocked. For example, okay, I think the first window, okay, here you can give on, I mean here whatever the things you have, you can just unlock also as well. I think I have given the incorrect password. So you can just enter it, for example. Okay. So like this, I think I'm entering the wrong password, that's fine. So you can just do that, remember the password, and then you can just create as many layer as you want. And I will also will be making a little bit more layer to it. If you wanted to enlarge the screen, you can do that, enlarge the screen. If you wanted to shorten this one, you can do that. And all of this, let me go back here, just quick give a quick summary in through the one slider. So this is widely used home, school, work, and all that, and very organized section layer and pages layer. You can do it, and both the things are almost the same. But only thing is little slight different in navigation, but the options are same. And cloud-based thinking, no saving, nothing, and you can share and collaborate and all that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have wonderful day ahead.